you guys an updated tour of my bedroom, solely because it's been a little while since I've shared with you guys basically my happy place. I've updated it quite a bit from the new year till now, and I feel like it's pretty much on the cusp of exactly how I want it, aside from maybe two little things that I might change in this corner. But I feel like that's kind of like a later project. Last night was putting up the final touches of a few things that came in the mail, and figured it was time to give you guys an updated tour and just share with you guys my latest space. So one of the big things that I was trying to do moving into the new year was to use more of the things that I had with creating like a new space or a new energy. So first things first, like with watching this video, I am going to link a lot of the stuff in my room down below for those of you guys that do maybe want to buy a piece here or there. But also know that if you're watching this video and you get super inspired to redo your space, I did a lot of this without having to purchase anything new. And with Society 6, the few things that I did purchase, they were like smaller art pieces or pieces that I already had that I just like recycled back into the stuff that I've been using. So without further ado, I hope you guys are cozy. You guys got a warm cup of coffee, and I hope that I cleaned everything up properly so that there's nothing that I'm gonna have to embarrassingly cut out of this video. And with that, I'm gonna share with you guys a tour of my bedroom, closet, and bathroom. So let's do this. Okay, so this is what you first see when you walk into my room. First thing is obviously the closet. Bathroom is off to the right, and then my bedroom is off to the left. So which way do we want to go? Let's go left because I'm left-handed. So this is kind of like the little entranceway into my bedroom area. It's pretty much just like a basic square, so I'll give you guys a quick little overview of everything, and then I'll go into more detail. So the first thing that is in my room is this mirror. You guys have asked a lot of questions on like Instagram and stuff because I post a lot of like outfit photos in this. So the mirror is from JYSK. I got it a little while ago, like a couple apartments ago. I don't know if they would still have it, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below. That's where the mirror was from. It was like $40 a couple years ago. Really good purchase. And then beside that, I just have my nightstand and like my bed area. Really quick, bedding, Society 6, but the lighter one is from Urban Outfitters. The blanket's from Urban Outfitters. All the little art print pillows, like these two, but then this one is my favorite. Usually, okay, I know that this is weird, but I'm super strategic about how I put my pillows. And usually I have this one out because it's like, I don't know, I feel like it's very Pisces, maybe? I don't know. So anyways, those pillows are from Society 6. These two are from HomeSense, and then the back two are from HomeSense as well. So that is like the bedding situation we got, and then that's just like a pipe that's Bentley's toy from his Halloween costume. And then we have my nightstand, as I mentioned. So this is also from JYSK. I got it with an actual like matching bed set, if you guys remember, but the bed was terrible quality and fell apart, and the nightstand was good and I kept it. So on top of my nightstand, I have the books that I'm currently reading, which is You Do You by Sarah Knight and I Am Her Tribe by Danielle Dobby. So I follow her on Instagram actually. She posts really cool stuff if you guys are curious. And then I have my crystals and some stickers that I got from Society 6 that I'm waiting to put on my new laptop because my laptop is starting to go. I think I can get away with having my laptop for like another month or two, so I'm gonna hold on to it for now, but I'm just gonna keep these stickers here because they're really cute. Just little inspo stickers. This one says, "Don't stop till you're proud." This one looks like a tarot card, except it's coffee. And this one, I might put this one on my Jeep actually, because I named my Jeep NASA, and this just looks like a NASA kind of sticker, so we'll see about that one. Also, if you guys are curious, I did post a video about my 2019 reading list. So these are the February books, and I just finished the January ones and all that, so I can also link that down below in case you are curious and you're a reader. And then behind here, we just have this candle, which is called Cozy Sweater. This is from HomeSense. And then I took this Urban Outfitters candle when it was finished and put my little plant inside. He's my new little succulent. He actually doesn't have a name yet, so if you guys want to come up with one, although this says Coconut Grove, so maybe we can call him Grover. I kind of like that. Oh my god, is his name Grover? Okay, I think we just named him Grover. And then this is my new sun lamp. So I actually just picked this up from Amazon, and I picked it up solely because obviously if you guys haven't heard before, like sun lamps are like vitamin D lamps. They're really, really good for seasonal depression and such, but also just in general, like we don't get as much sunlight in the wintertime because obviously it's kind of gray and just cold. This helps you get like a good dose of vitamin D. So I'll plug it in and turn it on. It's also really good for my plants as well, which is just like an added bonus. And it's super, super bright, but like when I'm sitting here and doing my meditation, I'll let this just kind of beam into my closed eyelids, and it helps me get that like vitamin D for the day. I mean, realistically, I've only done it twice now, but I actually have noticed during the days that it's just like a good little mood booster. So there is that. That is my sun lamp. And then these are the 3 new art pieces I actually just got from Society 6. This one's called Strength. This one's called The Sun, which matches the sun that's above my bed. And then this one's supposed to be like the High Priestess, but it's called the Moon Witch. And again, they kind of fit the exact same vibe that's going on with that one, which is from Urban Outfitters. So I'll link all those down below. Then around my bed, I just have these little lights, and on the other side, we have Bentley's little corner. So Bentley's kennel goes in here. He's not really someone to be like kennel trained in the sense of like he doesn't get in trouble a lot, so he doesn't have to go in there with the door shut, so I leave the door off. He actually kind of loves his kennel, so he'll like bring little things in there. Are those toys I can see? Yep. And on top we have a couple plants. This area gets a lot of sunlight, so I actually just replanted this guy. His name is Atlas, and solely because when I picked him up it came with this little stick that says Atlas on it, so I was like, oh, he kind of named himself. This plant is struggling, my little succulent. I forget what we named this one. We named it in the old apartment, but he's been struggling for a while, so I'm trying to kind of like bring him back to life. And then this is Jade. If you guys remember her, she's still living, thriving, killing it in all the ways. More plants. Luna. Got my little Buddha here, and this is gonna sound really weird, but I put him underneath where you plug things in because it's like an energy metaphor, but now that I'm about to say it out loud, it sounds way more lame, so I'm just gonna not. And then sweeping over, we have this whole little section right here. So this is actually like my favorite section of my room. This little bookshelf is from Walmart. I have like a couple of these guys, but they have been with me for a few apartments now. This, if you're curious, is just my yoga wheel. So sometimes I'll pull it out when I'm doing yoga, but I just keep it there because there's not really anywhere else to put it. On top, we have Hale. This is my new plant. We actually named it on Instagram, I'm pretty sure, when I went and got him. So that's Hale, and that's Luna, and they're in love. That's the idea behind it, or at least what I've told myself. Then we have Marley. If you guys remember, this is the same succulent we got at the same time as that one over there that I cannot remember her name. But Marley was also dying for a while when I first moved into this apartment. Actually, when I was leaving the old apartment, Marley was dying, and I've been trying to bring him back to life since I've been here, and just recently he's starting to thrive again. If you guys can see, like right in the middle, he's starting to like regrow again. So Marley's coming back, which is a gift. And then I have my Aroma Diffuser, and then I have it on this like wooden slab that, again, if you know the story behind this, you are a true OG, but Maggie and I stole this from a restaurant. My amethyst crystal, my lit up Himalayan salt crystal, then I have this crystal on top of it, which gets really warm because it's been on top of this one. I forget which kind this is, but it's supposed to be about like love and like broken hearts and stuff, and I just thought that was a mood, so I put it there. And then I have my candle, which is burning right now, and this is the Red Sky tarot candle. Really quick, I won't bore you guys too much with what's in the bookshelves, just crystals, decor, more crystals, candles, cloud, little elephant guy. Again, if you remember him, you've been around a while. And then I have my 2 tarot decks, and then this is all my essential oils to go in here, or I have my roll-ons in there as well. Then really quick, on my wall, this is the gallery wall that I have going on. A lot of you guys have pointed out to me that you're actually supposed to put the bottom of the book underneath, but as you can see, like it comes out further than the books, so it doesn't really bother me that much. I just kind of pile the books on top. But eventually I'm gonna wanna, you know, put a few more on there so you guys can't see like the metal, or I can't see the metal anyway. This is my gallery wall. I will list all of the stuff that's on it down below. The shelving and the planter, those are all from Urban Outfitters, and I grabbed them in the fall time, and then this piece of art is also from Urban Outfitters. But as for like this one here, this one is from Society 6. The palm hand reading is from, I think it was from HomeSense. And if you guys are curious about the little change that I was thinking of making, the last thing that I want to do in here is just hang 2 more planters like from this corner and just kind of have that corner overflowing in green. But again, that's just like, it's not a necessity and I don't know when I'm going to do it, so that's the corner I'm thinking of doing it in though. And then when you zip over to this side, I have this little like corner nook area, so don't mind the black cord. I'm getting an extension cord so you won't be able to see that. But I have 2 floor pillows from when I am like filming and meditating. I have my big blow up like glitter air chair, and I just put a blanket and a pillow over top of it. So cozy, and it's like really nice actually for playing guitar and stuff. Over here I have my guitar, as I just mentioned, and then behind it is my yoga mat. I'll just like pull out my yoga mat and literally unroll it right here and do all my yoga. Again, if you guys are following on Insta, you probably already know that. And then I have my little breakfast tray or bed tray, and I cleaned this up quite a bit. It used to be a little busy with plants, but now that I've done all my planting into the planters, this is just my Crosley speaker. This is the candle my sister got me for Christmas that you harvest amethyst out of at the bottom. So again, still a work in progress. And then those are my 3 little cacti. And then string lights are also a question I get a lot from you guys, and they're from Amazon. So again, if I can find them, I'm sure you already know what I'm going to say. I will link it below. So that's a quick overview of my bedroom situation. Like I mentioned, I am completely in love with how it's turned out right now, and not much I'm probably going to change for a while. Also really quick, I just realized I forgot to show you this guy. This is Palm, which if you guys get the like reference, I put Palm up there since all of the decor is kind of like, you know, palming or hand related. Unnecessary for me to have to show you that, but I felt bad leaving any of my plants out. So over here, my closet has not changed much. I believe I did an updated closet tour with you guys recently for the winter, but it's all pretty much the same except for a couple things I've changed, like my reading socks I've laid out like this so I can just grab them. And then I have like a section for toques, and I got a couple cute new ones. Actually, this is not new, but I had it for a little while, like that one a lot. And then I just got this one for Iceland. It's like a baby pink toque, so those are gonna be my hats. This has definitely been like my color lately, is like mauve and baby pink. But yeah, closet in general has not really changed. Last but not least, I don't know if I've even ever toured my bathroom with you guys, but I'm gonna show you. So this is my bathroom situation. Again, not really a crazy amount to show you guys, but I have a weird feeling that like we've vlogged in here, but we've never actually toured, which I probably should have cleaned it better for that reason. So first things first, this bath mat is from Society 6. And shower situation. I never keep these lights on unless I'm doing makeup because they're so harsh. But usually this is kind of like the mood when I'm showering. It's just like one beaming light from the top. And then over here, I just have a little cactus on top of my toilet, as well as this inhale exhale candle and some palm tree art. More plants. These ones are fake though because there's like no sunlight in here. So just some scrunchies on my soap. Another little candle that I can burn sometimes when I'm getting ready. Then these are my perfumes. Right now I just have Pure XS. This one is Romance, and then this one is just like a body mist. Like I said, where I do my makeup. Okay, so this is my favorite section of my bathroom, is when the door is shut and like when I'm showering and stuff. Those are like my collections of robes. So this is like my little, what robe am I gonna choose after the shower? What robe am I gonna choose after lotion for taking off my makeup at night? Like I'll pick a robe for the mood, put it on, and I just like, I don't know, I like how this ended up turning into this just like corner of just getting ready, or like a comfy cozy corner of picking out a robe to just pretty much be naked in. That's really weird, but you know what I mean. And then this, you guys know, is Valentine. She is from 2 Youtubers ago, but I hung her up. And then we have our James Dean classic from Society 6, which I hung up in here too, and you can see him when you're in like my bedroom. So yeah, that is it. That is pretty much the tour of my bedroom, my closet, and then my bathroom. So there you guys have it. That is the tour of my bedroom, and without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. What kind of vibe is your room? I've definitely starting to feel like I've kind of created the vibe, especially with like the artwork and stuff. I feel like it's all starting to kind of come together in that type of I guess kind of graphic art is the way to put it, or I don't know, like the tapestry art and the art on the pillows and on the framing behind me. It's all very similar within that like aesthetic and field. So again, like I mentioned, I'm just super happy with how my bedroom is now. I feel very like calm here. This is such a good space to like fall asleep and be creative, and I love it a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and aside from that, I will see all of you guys in Friday's video. Bye guys.